In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media planner in Notion that's easy to set up and really aesthetic. This is perfect if you want a simple way to organize your posts, keep track of ideas, and manage your content calendar all in one place without having to build everything from scratch. We're going to use a template from the Notion marketplace, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to manage your social media content. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the option called Marketplace. This is Notion's built-in gallery of templates created by Notion and the community. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll down the sidebar a little. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in Social Media Planner. Take a moment to make sure you've spelled it correctly, because that will give you the most accurate results. After typing it in, wait for the search results to load. You should now see a list of templates related to social media planning. Look through the results until you find the one specifically called Social Media Planner. The thumbnail will usually show some kind of calendar or content layout, and there will be a short description that mentions planning or scheduling posts. When you've found it, click on the Social Media Planner template to open its details page. Here, you can scroll to preview how the planner looks. You'll typically see sections for content ideas, platforms, dates, and statuses like draft, scheduled, or published. This is a good moment to quickly check if its structure matches how you like to work. If it does, you can add it to your workspace by selecting the option to get or duplicate the template, depending on how your marketplace view is set up. Once it's in your workspace, you can start customizing it. Rename the page, adjust properties like platforms or content type, and tweak the colors or views to match your aesthetic. After that, you'll have a ready-to-use social media planner in Notion that you can fill with your own posts and campaigns.